April Fool's Day is coming. Are you still pranking your friends in the same way as you did a few years ago? Today I will show you a new idea to create surprise for your friends. First, send a fake location to my friend, pretend that I am not in the company, and then ask her to help throw the trash. Okay. Now hide in the bag and wait for her.
A few moments later.
Well, you must be wondering how to fake a real-time location. The first tool to fake location that came to my mind is a iPhone Enito, which I discovered by accident. This amazing program could help us change our location to anywhere in the world. Sounds interesting, right? First, connect my phone to the computer and launch Enito. Then type any place we want in the search bar. For example, now I type Las Vegas, and then choose the one I want. Of course, if you want to change location to Tokyo, Paris, Bangkok, or somewhere else, it's absolutely no problem. Once confirmed, tag move. See, the fake location is displayed on my phone. Now share your location with your friends, and give them April Fool's Day surprise. By the way, Enito has a great discount right now. The link is on the description below. Hurry up to click and download. Subscribe to our channel to get more interesting information.